Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you know how to talk with your coworkers in English?
Would you like to feel more confident at work?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about talking with coworkers.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did. I spent time with my family.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I went hiking with some friends.
That must have been fun.
It was. I'm feeling refreshed.
That's a great way to start the week.
Absolutely.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have several meetings.
That sounds like a full schedule.
It is, but I'm ready.
Do you need any help?
Thank you. I might need help with one report.
I'd be happy to help.
I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Teamwork makes work easier.
I completely agree.
Let's finish the report together this afternoon.
Sounds like a plan.
It's almost lunchtime.
Yes, I'm getting hungry.
Would you like to have lunch together?
Sure, I'd love to.
Where would you like to eat?
How about the cafe across the street?
That sounds good.
I've heard they have delicious sandwiches.
Let's give it a try.
Great. We can also talk about the project.
Good idea.
Let's go.
After you.
Thank you.
Are you ready to work on the report?
Yes, I am.
Let's review our notes first.
Good idea.
I'll write the introduction.
Then I'll prepare the charts.
Perfect.
Do you need any more information?
Yes, could you check the sales numbers?
Of course.
Thank you.
Everything looks correct.
Excellent.
We're making good progress.
Yes, we are.
I think we'll finish on time.
I think so too.
Teamwork really helps.
Absolutely. We finished the report.
Great job.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I couldn't have finished it without you.
I'm happy to help anytime.
Our manager will be pleased.
I hope so.
Do you have any plans after work?
Yes, I'm meeting a friend for dinner.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I'm going home to relax.
You deserve a good rest.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too. See you tomorrow. What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
Good morning.
Excellent.
Do you need any help?
Very good.
Let's work together.
Perfect.
Great job.
Wonderful.
Thank you for your help.
Excellent.
See you tomorrow.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident talking with my coworkers in English now.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for talking with your coworkers at work.
You also learned how to greet colleagues, discuss work, offer help, work on a project together, and end the workday politely.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.